Hello, my name is Fiona and I work at the Mississauga Library. Today we will be building a super secret mining tunnel in Minecraft. So the tunnel is going to go roughly in this direction, which is east. So this is positive east, this is negative east. And we are going to be going down close to bedrock. So let's take the train down. Whee! Alright, let's get out. Okay, so I think this was last episode. This was when we made the central railway station. And I made 2 lines connecting here for the 2 existing lines, plus this mysterious third one. So this is going to be our tunnel shaft down so that we can mine diamonds. So I put the coordinates for this block. So we're at x469. We're going to be digging, just to get us started, down this way. And we're currently at y64, but we want to get down to about y10, and I'll explain how that works in a moment. So what I want to do will probably make more sense if I can show you it on graph paper. So imagine this graph is a depiction of ground level all the way to bedrock, and this is the y-axis. So diamonds start, you have to dig all the way down to level 15, so this blue line here, to get to level where diamonds start to spawn. And they spawn all the way to 0, which is bedrock. The problem is, once you get to level 10, that's where lava starts to become more common than anything else, and it's a real pain to try to mine diamonds below level 10. So ideally we want to dig somewhere between level 10 and 15 for our diamonds. And then the level of our base, the ground level or the sea level, is 64. So we are all the way up here. So to calculate how far down we have to dig to get to level 10, that would be 64 minus 10. That's pretty easy, so that's going to be 54. So we need to dig down from our base all the way 54 blocks to level 10. So another complication is if we were just doing a straight shaft down, you just dig down. But I want to make a rail line because that's going to be more convenient to move cargo up and down to our base. To build a railway, railways don't just go straight down, you have to dig down diagonally. But I don't want, the thing with diagonally is that the line's going to start traveling very far south or north, whatever distance in terms of x, which is east to west, that we dig. So I want the bottom, the end of our rail line to be roughly immediately below our feet in the base, and more on why that matters later. So what I'll do is make a switchback. So we'll dig down diagonally to make a rail line to the halfway point, and then we'll switch back and start digging down diagonally in the other direction so that we'll end right there. So we've already calculated that the distance we have to dig down, so I'm digging down in the y direction, that would be 54 blocks. Okay, so then halfway we want to do the switch and change the other direction diagonally. So what is half of 54? So 54 divided by 2, that's 27. So once we dig down 27 blocks, then we want to switch around and start digging in the other direction for another 27 blocks. So then what would that be? So if y is 10, so 10 plus 27, so then we're switching at 37. So it's at y37 that we're going to be doing the switchback. Getting back to Minecraft, with the magic of film, I've already dug the first leg of our tunnel down to diamond level. So just take a look at this again. So we're currently at x469 at level y64. So going down, bonking our heads the entire way, bonk, bonk, bonk. All right, so this is where I want to make a switchback, and let's torch this up. So hit F3 to bring up your coordinates. So if you'll notice, second paragraph, first line, XYZ coordinates, so the third number, 37. So we're now at level 37 in terms of how far down we've dug. So now we want to dig all the way to level 10, so 27 more down to go. And I'll get back to you once I've done that. Ta-da! With the magic of film, I have built the second leg of the switchback. So if you recall, going up there, that gets us back to the base, but let's go down and see our mining level, and let's actually take a minecart this time. All right, we have arrived. So let's get the coordinates up again. Okay, first line of the second paragraph, XYZ. So if you recall, up at the top, because we're trying to keep our X coordinates more or less in line so that I can make a drop shaft in the future. So our X at the beginning of the tunnel, that was X469, and X now is 466 if we round. So that's pretty darn close. Almost close to spot on, so that's really great. And I'll show you what the drop shaft is like later on. We'll take advantage of some interesting Minecraft physics. And we're at level 10. So this is, if you're playing in survival, it's really important to learn how to mine efficiently, because as you get into the more advanced level of the games, you need diamonds to make diamond armor. Level 10 is also really good if you need to mine out redstone, and we certainly do use a lot of redstone, plus other types of ores like gold and lapis lazuli that you might need for enchanting. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let's take the ride up. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website and our Facebook page for details on what is coming up, and for a digital 24/7 service where you can download books, audiobooks, music, magazines, and more. To learn more about Minecraft, check out our Minecraft ebooks in Overdrive. Bye!